Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Code with Italians, where you can hopefully hear me and hopefully hear Ivan. Hopefully.
Ciao.
Ciao, Ivan.
How's everybody? How's
Yes.
everybody?
Yes.
Feedback from the chat.
Yeah, well,
Yes,
we can
we
hear.
can
Woo!
hear. Fantastic. I mean,
Yeah, because
it's the first time that we do this.
second now, maybe. But
Okay.
the funny thing is that when I turned on the Windows machine, Windows said something like, your audio devices changed. And I was like, I'm quite sure they haven't, but sure. And obviously it had reset all the sampling frequency settings. So I set that, and then I started the call with Ivan, and it's like, you sound weird. I'm like, oh no, not again. And then yeah, in the 3 minutes between me setting up the sampling frequency and starting the call, Windows had decided to, do Windows. You're not
Windows
on air,
stuff.
Ivan. Sorry. It's
No, but
404. So it's
that no,
403 actually.
you know, you
Unauthorized.
know, you know what's what's the problem? This is the problem. The amount of remotes
uh
that I have, and now I don't know if the thing is just out of battery
I have
or
a
I
fix
don't
for you.
have. I also have the, but I didn't. What's that? A label. A labeler.
With eyes.
That's actually that's actually very clever. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
very useful.
Yes, super useful. Anyway,
Yeah.
so today, what are we doing, Sebastiano?
So
Apart
today,
from greeting everybody.
yes, we were supposed to have Ben Weiss with us to talk about DEX optimizations, but we had to reschedule. So given it was a fairly short notice, it's us coding. Yay!
Yes. Well, I mean, we have a nice pipeline or backlog of projects that we want to build.
Yeah.
So,
And we actually have a test device now.
Yes. Thank you to our supporters. We can actually run on a device, so we won't have the weird emulator things that it. So it's good to have a phone where we can run.
Especially needed that because when we are done with this app,
Yes.
we have some more things that will require a physical device.
Do we want to spoil it?
So
At least people can start getting PTSD. So we are gonna work with Bluetooth. And so as you can imagine, Bluetooth and also reverse engineering Bluetooth, it's very fun. It's super fun on Android, and we thought, okay, how can we reduce at least the amount of pain that we are gonna put ourselves through voluntarily? And we came up with, let's buy a second-hand what's that? A Pixel 7a?
7a, yeah, second hand.
Okay,
looks,
but that's decent.
Yeah,
it's one of those. It's one of those. What it was? It Amazon warehouse, whatever, something. Yeah. So thank you to our supporter. We can actually work with that. And the idea, I'm just gonna spoiler, but not spoiler.
Oh come on, you're spoiling everything.
No. But it's gonna be something interesting, and probably it's gonna be, well, most likely it's gonna be open source, and it's good for the community if we can do this, and we can do this thanks to our supporter. And I also see that Hugo resubscribed using Prime. Also Bart resubscribed. I really want to thank you all. Huh?
I'm gonna check if I need to.
I think I did it last week. If you have an Amazon Prime subscription, I want to remind you that you can subscribe to our channel for free. Uncle Bezos is paying the bill, and we are getting a couple of bucks probably to fund things like this, the keychains and the stickers that we are sending out as free giveaways every month. I mean, every couple of weeks. We want to start giving the stickers, giving away stuff more frequently now that we are kind of settling on a few fronts. And yeah, so thank you for the support. And if you want to buy a t-shirt,
I just wanted to say we have been very bad with giveaways, mostly because we've been very bad at we had a million other things to do. And it doesn't look like it, but it takes a lot of time to prepare the envelopes, to get all the addresses and go to the post office. So we want to do it again.
Getting better at this. Yes, I'm getting ahead. I already have envelopes with the stuff inside. And I also bought labels that I can print, so we won't have the issues that we had in the past where my handwriting was so shitty that the envelope got lost. Yeah, that happened. So we are putting solutions in place to keep giving away. Yeah, but you know how it is, right? Either you pay 15 euros to send like an envelope to the US, or you need to try to reduce the cost, and that's it. Sebastiano.
Yes.
What are we doing today?
That's my name.
What are we doing today?
So today we're going to be looking at some fun things. So if you remember, when we started our application Piedone last month, we said that what we were doing, which was just get the URL that was shared to us and reshare it, was just a stopgap thing, because the real idea is to actually get an image shared from some other app, strip all the metadata out of it, and reshare it to something else. That can be useful, for example, if you take a picture somewhere, you want to make sure that you're not sharing the geolocation data that is embedded in the picture, or for any other thing. And as time goes on, we can also think about adding more features, such as making sure that pictures are always a certain size or something, or maybe you want to apply a watermark, I don't know. But the basic thing we want to do is to take images, get all the metadata, take it out, and then share the image, reshare the image again.
Yes.
So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I think we need to start from the very basics, which is, what the fuck is metadata? Right?
Yes.
Ivan, what is metadata?
Yeah. Metadata is
I'm paying attention.
It's like no. Metadata is like a data, but it's also a bit meta.
But it comes from Zuckerberg. No, wait.
No, it's no. I think so.
That's a different kind of metadata.
From a pictures point of view, from a photography point of view, I think it's called, what we are looking for is like EXIF
yes.
data.
Yes.
And so I think that is data that is not part of the document itself, as a picture has it's an image, but is like something that decorates the picture. Like you just plug more information around it, like maybe the type, maybe the geolocation if you have it, or I think if you open Google Photos, you can add a description to a photo, and then maybe it's metadata that they add to the picture. Who knows? That's just my guess.
I wish.
But
so if you do a fun fact about that, if you do a takeout from Google Photos, it will download all of your pictures. If you have the original picture storage enabled, then it will download the original file. But if you add additional information in Google Photos, for some reason, it doesn't store it in the image on metadata. It stores it in a sidecar file. There is like a JSON file that contains, the names of the people in the picture, or the geolocation that you've added. It's kind of like, I kind of hate it, but I think so. I've done that in the past, and what I've done is, there is somewhere on the internet, there is a script that slurps up the JSON files, read the geolocation, for example, and then adds it to the images.
Okay.
So then you get, the JPEGs or whatever that contain all the metadata, and they don't need this completely arbitrary JSON file that nothing else knows what to do with.
So once again, no joy. I mean, I hope that they were putting it in the picture. So, okay. So let's try to understand. So what's the plan? Do we want to read an image from the gallery and try to read the EXIF?
So yes, I think so. I'm just trying to think about, because you have experience with storage.
Yeah, no. But
and I have none.
So for what we want to do, we're in a good place because we have something that is called picker visual something,
yeah,
picker something.
The idea should be that we received an image shared to us.
Ah, okay.
But
so you don't want to access.
We can do whichever is fastest, honestly.
I think that we show the picker.
Okay.
And because the picker is nice. It's like a few lines of code is like backward compatible to 21. I mean, it was not bad. Yeah. So there is you have to do, of course, you need to do the yeah, that's the one. Pick visual media. I don't know if you're sharing the screen. I think you're sharing the screen. So there is single media item, multiple media item, and you just pretty much copy the activity result thingy, and you get URI, and with URI you can get the bitmap.
I see. And then we need to read the image probably into memory, process it, and then per lines of code you write, the less chance Seb has to break it. Mark, you know I don't need to write code to break shit.
I mean, that's a given. But I just want to, so on the side, I'm going to look at what I did. So if we need support, I can read the code.
Yep, sure.
Because I used it in a couple of places. And
I am going to create a new activity in the meantime that we can use for testing. So activity, no, compose empty activity.
Because I have been using this in the February pet project that I haven't shipped yet, unfortunately.
Wait, are you doing like a challenge where you do monthly?
Yeah, I'm doing 12. The idea is to do 12 projects in 12 months.
That's cool.
Like I don't have enough stuff to do.
Oh no, you have plenty of time.
Why would? But again, in January I was able to ship CMS in Ruby on Rails that I was like, well, this is cool. I mean, it was like 15-20 years that I was not using. It was like 20 years that I didn't use Rails. It was very nice. I mean, if you don't stick too much to the typing part, because with Kotlin we are very spoiled. But and on February I worked on, again, I rewrote in Compose an app that I have on the Play Store that I want to replace, and I'm almost done. I'm just wrapping up the subscription part. But again, it's happening. It's happening. I think you just need to call edge to edge. It's
yes, but I don't find it's not there, so I need to figure out what the fuck I need to do.
But it
should be.
Yeah, because it comes with like the wizard. I don't even know where.
But it looks like AndroidX activity. I don't know if it's just an old version that we got. Maybe. Let's see.
Enable edge to edge.
It should complain if it's old.
It's in Android activity.
I'm gonna YOLO this. Yay! What could possibly go wrong?
Yeah, why wouldn't you update?
I mean, generally, if everything is on the latest, sometimes it works.
Something that you could do is use the compose bomb, but that will make you like a very weak
want the alphas.
person. Yeah, you want the nightly. So
I could use the bomb from Chris Baines that has the alphas.
the yesterday evening bomb, basically.
Yeah. Or I can just, even better, I could use the snapshots.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Why do I even?
Oh, there is a compose bomb. Why?
Yeah, of course there is a compose bomb.
No, as in it's already here.
Because the wizard used the bomb.
Oh, you say you just added it.
Yeah, I think
lame.
I mean, it's not brave enough, right? Not brave enough.
There are so many dependencies in here we don't need. What the fuck? Why is all this stuff here? Oh, because it's the bundle stuff. It's the bundle.
Shot, prototype, I mean, Crashlytics, Google Service, Hilt. Who needs that?
I'm going to do some cleanup.
Yeah, sure.
Very quickly. So like all the stuff we don't need. Test.
Test. Who does that?
Do we need any of this? No, we don't. We don't need any of this. We don't need actually any accompanies to anything. Arrow we don't need. Coil we don't need. Coil we might need at some point, but not now.
Coil, I mean, maybe.
I mean, we're doing things with the images, so you never know when you need to load the images, right?
Yeah, but they are kind of local. Aren't they local?
So what? Why are you discriminating against local?
No. Don't. Not. And
yeah, I mean, you can use Coil to load local images. It's fine.
Yeah. But actually, I'm looking how I do it. Let's see.
This is how I do it.
A get bitmap. Okay, no, I do it with image decoder, decode bitmap. Okay, so I found the line of code that we need to actually get the bitmap out of the content provider. So that's
okay.
That's the one line that you need, and then
compose compiler. I don't need this. Probably. I don't know.
Why? No.
I don't need this.
Wait. No, I mean we're not using the bomb.
Yeah, exactly.
Too many. Yeah, the tests. You don't need that.
So looking at the chat, yeah, Adam, we built the plugin. I'll actually put the link to the plugin in the chat, if I remember it correctly. Maybe it's this, maybe it's not. Otherwise, you can just open plugins and search for the Italian. There you go. That also works. Okay.
So you need to 99.
Complaining about something.
No, you need to remove 99 because it's pointing to the.
Oh yeah, fuck 99.
But also fuck tests.
We don't need tests. Blah 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 blah.
Well, we are not testing anything, so this is just reflect.
I don't know why it's there. It's fine though.
But I mean, at some point we tried so many things to test. The shot. Do you remember shot?
Yep.
And the other one, what was it?
We tried shot, and it unfortunately didn't work on Windows, which was a shame.
What was the other one? Paparazzi. That also was another attempt.
Test options. We don't need tests. It's fine. I mean, we do need. Everyone needs tests. Let me be clear. That said, we're not gonna do tests.
Sure. Yeah.
More stuff we don't need. Yay!
Look at those UI tests manifests.
Who's using this? Oh, it's used here, which we don't need. Yay! More stuff we don't need.
Look at that.
There's no more tests anywhere now.
Assert K that you don't need.
So I can take this one. Where is it? Assert K. Is it used anywhere? No. I take this as a no. Just gave it a timeout. We don't technically need JUnit either. I probably just have to delete a bunch of shit from here now.
This is Test implementation you don't need.
Sure. Debug. This is UI test. You can
serialization. Why are we using serialization?
You never know when you see a JSON.
Yeah, fair enough.
Isn't there stream going to be self-deleting stuff? Mark, maybe. If we are lucky, that's all we do.
This is called maintenance, man.
Yes.
It's a Sebastiano, ignore him. This is an unfair task, but we need it. So, you know, this
Ha!
Here you go. You see?
You see? Now I deleted shit and now it works.
It works. And you know, how is it? Less is more. Right? How is it?
More is more.
Whatever. Deleting stuff. Middle build.
Launch. Well, specified activity. Not you. You.
Okay.
Easy. Picky. Actually, it's gonna be Picky Boy.
Picky Boy.
Yes, because it's a boy and it picks. I mean, it's not a boy, but it does pick.
At some point, they're gonna cancel us. You know what? You're gonna say something.
What?
Something.
That wasn't offensive. I think.
No. But that's the thing. At some point, we will think that something.
Oh, for sure, I'm gonna say something stupid at some point.
They're gonna cancel us.
Like, Seb, why did you say that? I'm like,
what do you mean?
What? Wait, was I speaking?
and then you have like HR calling, and I'm like, how? Wait, what?
Compilation error! Yay! Compose compiler. No. Wait.
You need the Compose compiler.
I need a newer Compose compiler version. But why?
Which version are you using? Because if you're using Kotlin,
it's Kotlin. Well, actually, 21.
If you do 22. You can do 22.
What is this? But I need a Compose compiler version.
You need a Compose compiler is 1.5.10.
Thank you. And then I also need to use it somewhere. Did I delete it? I might have deleted it.
Yeah, I think you deleted the Kotlin.
I deleted everything.
No. Maybe you just commented it.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you, past Seb. You're welcome, current Seb.
Sync.
You should call it Peaky Blinders, Mark. That's what you use Italian points for.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. Okay, and let's try and run it.
So if it builds, I would suggest a commit out of peace of mind. Why? Out of peace of mind. Just you know why? Why not?
You so don't trust me.
No, I trust you deeply, and that's yeah. Jesus Christ. Anyway, I'm just saying that you never know with technology. You never know.
I don't know. I don't know if
What's
I trust
in
you. What's
this?
Picker activity.
But do you need this?
This Picky Boy.
No, but he redeemed the point. So.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna call the activity Picky Blinders.
Okay. Peachy Blinders. Okay.
And there's only shit we don't need here, which is fine. Like, I so hate it. It's like, why don't you give me a quick fix?
Because you need it, Sebastiano.
Because this is groovy. That's why.
Because you don't know, but it's because you're missing the point of the mystery around this. No. By the way, how long is taking to build this thing? Okay. Okay, a minute on a monstrous monster of a.
I think it needed to download the internet.
The internet. Okay, fair enough.
So
do you know how? I
decided that I don't care. Huh?
Yeah. How about you just don't? So is it running? Is it the phone?
I mean, it's a thing.
What's in the activity?
Is this?
Do we have anything in the activity? No, but do you have anything in the activity?
No, there's nothing in there.
Okay, makes sense that you don't see anything. So, time for a commit. Did you commit?
Oh no, wait. Yeah, I need to commit. Even it's distrusting.
Wow. Safety sap.
Fancy boy, I'm signing all my commits.
What? Why did you? I mean, why did you left stuff around? Anyway, whatever.
What?
I mean,
I only committed the changes to Gradle, not the empty activity.
Well, anyway.
Why am I saying deprecated configuring? I don't know at all. I have no idea. I tried doing what the deprecation notice was saying, and then it wasn't working, and so that's how you get me not to care about things. When you deprecate shit, and then your undeprecation instructions are wrong.
Sure. At some point, it's gonna be not a warning. It's gonna be an error, and
yeah,
problem
and
for another day.
Then I care.
It's a problem for future SEP.
Probably yes.
Okay, so the idea is that now we will have a button that opens
this
the
is
picker.
A terrible idea. I'm in danger.
What? What? What are you doing?
I needed to apply this because it was complaining.
Yeah, but
and then I did it on a button because it is.
How about field max size and then the rest of the stuff?
It's fine.
It's fine. Okay. Look at that.
Yes.
Boom. Also.
Is this in dark mode? Oh, it is in dark mode. That explains a lot of things.
But we are also using the dynamic theme, right? No. Do we have the dynamic theme?
I do not know.
No, because this is based on bundle. So I don't know if we have.
Maybe not.
Maybe not. Okay, so
button in the center. I want to. Come on. Yay!
Well, Sebastiano, you can center a div. Bravo. Chapeau.
This is easier than doing it in CSS, to be honest. Doing it in CSS, it's like, maybe it works. Maybe it centers it towards the moon. Yeah. You never know.
It's a relative centering.
Yes. So you said that there's code.
Yeah, if you look at the documentation.
Bam.
Also that.
I should probably create a function though.
Yeah, I mean, so we are gonna use how is the new picker?
Yes.
For Android. You need also to add something to the manifest, Sebastiano, if you look at the documentation.
Okay. This is just gonna call boring. Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah, but you need to extract this to the activity on create, or no, before the on create. Otherwise it won't work. The register for activity result, you need to bring it up above the on create. It won't work otherwise. Yeah. Outside, like at the top. It has to be a property.
Oh, as a property. Okay, I've never used this shit, so I don't know.
That's put it there, and then just forget about it for now.
Import. Yay.
Well, actually, which one are you using? The register for activity result. Okay.
Because I'm using literally copy-pasted from the documentation. Yeah, you're the person. You're the documentation person. You should tell me.
Actually, this is good for this scenario. I just want to point out that there is a variant that you can use in a composable, because that's where I'm using it. I'm gonna just paste it in. It's basically remember
this is the insets.
No, it's remember launcher. I'm gonna just paste it in the chat. So for the
thank you
for the people at home. Yeah, Elivano. So ¿Tú puedes usar esta versión?
Esta tarjeta.
Esta
Sam
versión.
saying random Spanish words that is just going through his mind. Tarjeta.
So if tarjeta, what's tarjeta?
It's the
Tarjeta is
credit card.
and tarjeta is like yeah, it's tarjeta amarilla. I think it's red. Could show me the imports for.
Don't get us cancelled.
Edge. Enable edge to edge is it's in the activity.
Yes, there you go.
Yeah, that's it. It's in Compose activity library, I think. And by the way, Hugo, if you want to give it a shot, it's already there if you run the latest wizard in AndroidStudio. That's how I learned about it. So if you create a new Android app with the latest canary, it's already there. Actually, by default, they edge to edge the app. I mean, Roberto is probably so much lobbying for large screens that he managed to put in the wizard itself. But yeah, it's basically in the wizard.
Yay. Material 3 button. Modern. Okay, so I copied, not pasted yet, the code that you put.
Well, I mean, if you want to use the Compose version.
Yeah, of course. I guess this goes in here, though.
Bring it there.
Okay.
So.
If is it current.
Is everything okay?
Yes. Wait. Oh. Can I?
You need to create a variable for that.
No, I know, but I'm inside of an activity. Should be no, it doesn't.
No. You need to do local. You need to create a val. Throw a val somewhere. Yeah, that's it. Also, I think you need to opt in some weird stuff or whatever. It's complaining. No.
No, just this doesn't exist is the problem.
Persist URI access. Yeah, because it's my. I think it's my. You can remove it. You don't need it. Sorry, it's too much copy paste. But then, yeah. So
lying to me.
No, I was just.
You were lying to me.
No. But image URL. You also don't need. This is a callback. That's it. Well, this is the call. This is the callback to the part that from the URI gets the bitmap. You can.
Yes.
That's the code for the bitmap thingy.
So.
And I'll give you the code for the bitmap part.
So do I need to do like pick media.something here in the button?
.launch. Wait, just give me a second. There is a. You need to launch the thing.
R.
You can do this, Sebastian. There is.
Okay. So
and basically, image only is called. Yeah, you go.
And it's probably missing one of those. Okay. So this is gonna launch that. This I don't need.
But you need the get bitmap function that I pasted.
Yeah. I'm just gonna. I don't need this shit anymore, so I'm just gonna do it here.
No.
Let me.
I think you need a context. Probably, probably you need a context for the content resolver. So
yeah, but it's fine.
But it's in an activity, so you can just get.
I just need to add the imports. It's fine.
Sure, this is the yes.
And that's a very dodgy catch, null. I guess that's
no,
the
because,
return.
Yeah, no, because my function if returns a nullable bitmap.
I see, so I see. I guess we're bumping the minimum SDK version.
Sure.
So it wants 28, and 28 it shall have.
Yeah, come on, 28 is legit.
I mean, tell that to people that bought €100. Oh no, wait, that wasn't unused. I'm just yeah.
I like the formatting, by the way, on this thing. It's giving me PTSD, but okay.
It's not my fault. I'm pressing reformat all the time, and it just doesn't do
so
shit.
now you have the image.
I have a bitmap.
You have a bitmap. So
I have a bit of a map.
Let's try to actually see if the bitmap is null. Or what does your test device have 28?
Yeah, it's on Android 14.
Like 34. What is it? Like
yeah, probably. I lost count. I'm too old for this.
You see it in the in AndroidStudio. Is that lab? It's at the top. 34.
34, yeah. Yes. You will copy my serial number from the test device that I don't care about.
It's on your desk. So the print something with timber, maybe, because we're not savages.
I'm sorry. I'm too used to this.
Yeah, the something. What do you have on a bitmap? So is it even possible?
What is a bitmap?
EXIF? What print color?
Oh, sorry. It sure starts with a lowercase letter. Look at me. I am complying with regulation.
Fair enough. You look like Apple. So
I did not say that.
Well, I can take responsibility. By the way, you can quote me on this. I said it on chat on our Telegram group. I'm gonna say it also live and for the record, for the YouTube record.
There are no pictures now that I think of it.
This year, 2024, is Progressive Web Apps year. Quote me, quote me on that.
It looks like we need a picture. Let's take a picture.
Take a picture.
I am your desk. Not going to let it shut up. Do things.
Oh, there is also an update of the camera.
I updated all the apps. It's fine. Whatever. You can see my secret desk. No.
It's a desk, Sebastian.
I know.
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
A picture of
I'm not saying
anything. Picture of a feet. Do you remember the picture of the feet? Oh man, where was a fun time? Do you remember the feet?
The Google Fit?
No, there was a picture of a feet. At some point, we had like a foot.
Oh, the foot.
The foot. We had a foot.
The foot. Yeah.
What was it? It was with Mark. It was Mark in the chat or something.
Yep.
I remember.
There's always
onlyfit.com.
Mark is always involved when weird shit happens. So does it? Yeah, I did print something.
Yeah. Okay. Prints. Can you print the image? What do we have on image? I really am not familiar with what we can do on a bitmap file.
It's a bitmap.
So if you do it image dot something, what do we get?
I guess I need to do. Let's do
curly brackets, maybe.
But sometimes it adds the. I don't know. Oh.
Yeah, it's sometime. So what do we have? Width?
Yeah, you have the size, and I mean, I can tell you what the color of a pixel is if you want, but I don't think it's particularly useful.
Statistically speaking, on that image, it could be gray.
But which gray?
Let's see. Which gray? the one that only you know.
We have all the grays.
All the grays. Okay, so.
Oh yeah, obviously there isn't anything there anymore. Yeah, there you go.
That's a huge picture. Okay.
It's a powerful phone.
Yeah, fair enough. Okay, so now we have a bitmap.
Yes. Also, is it just me or look, this?
What's that?
It looks like a fucking Roomba, doesn't it?
Is it? Is it? Yeah, either is somebody.
This is the ADB like icon.
The ADB icon.
Yeah, because it's the Android 14.
Oh, up
head in
down,
space,
something.
Whatever. It looks like a Roomba. It's not just me, right?
I think it's maybe it's gonna start cleaning your desk. Who knows?
Oh, that would be cool.
That was,
okay, so now we have the thing of get the. We need EXIF, whatever. What was the library? Forget. EXIF interface.
Are you really trying to use the search on Duck?
It worked.
Sure.
I have a thing. This is what I was looking for.
Okay, so EXIF interface.
Well, I was technically looking for this other one, but it's fine. It's linked it there.
Okay,
so it's okay.
it's reachable.
Shut up.
It's not a Duck has a discoverability issue. Why? Okay, Kotlin.
Even
so there is a library
catalog tab here, so I can just copy the version catalog thing. That'd be nice. Thank you. Bye.
I don't know. I don't know if we are already doing that, to be honest.
Well, let me show you. I don't see it here.
No, I mean this. Who's gonna change this, right? I mean, if we are changing something, it's gonna be on the Compose stuff that it's recent. Who's using this? I mean, this thing is probably 12 years old.
I use it. You use it too now.
Yeah, fair enough. I'll let you know, Sebastiano. The moment we start also adding the version catalog tab, I'm gonna let you know. And by the way, in version catalog, what would you copy paste?
Yes.
It will be painful to copy paste because you will have a variable at the top and then the library in the middle. Okay.
Yeah, but even just having the one line with the version in here, it would be better than not. So I don't have to write this bullshit every time.
Okay. But can you?
No.
Out of curiosity, if you put the version there, can you extract it?
I don't know, but if not, that's also a feature request worth filing.
For AndroidStudio?
Yeah. Why not? Hi, Christoph.
there is actually a question from Hugo. Why do you version ref it for one single version?
Because I can.
Okay, wow, that's such a
the actual answer is because everything then it's up here, and I never have to go down here unless I need to add a new dependency. But then all the versions are at the top, and I can see them and I can change them easily without going hunting and scrolling horizontally, and like nobody's time for that. Well, not me. If you do. Sure.
And got time. Nobody got time for that. Fair enough.
Nobody got time for that. Yeah, that's the.
That's a good answer. That's a good answer. Too old for this shit. It's like
That's how the majority of things we do these days.
Yeah. I mean,
there is a plugin for that, Hugo. I know. I am aware of that. I could use it. Oh, it's slow.
So, what's the deal with the library? I never used this EXIF
you might be surprised. I've never used it myself, but I know it exists.
Okay, but yeah, you know that it exists for, I guess, your interest or curiosity.
Look, it was even updated recently.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
You of little faith.
No. I'm super little. But what can we do? This class for reading.
So essentially, what we want to do is to be able to read and write EXIF tags from images. Now,
but we have a bitmap. Is this reading a file?
That's a good question.
Can we feed it a bitmap? Because the bitmap is in memory, right?
Yes.
Because we can't access the file.
I can't imagine that it loses all the Metadata, or does it?
I have no
I don't
idea.
know. We're here to find out. Maybe the only thing we need to do is just to reshare the image as is, and we're done.
Wow. We just
Life
found
hacks.
found the glitch, right? So you failed to properly import the
I know.
file.
No. I never failed. I
Okay.
hesitated.
I also succeeded in a very exotic way. No, there is an input stream, so we can work with that, I guess.
Yeah, the one thing I was thinking of is then how do you write the changes? As in, if you get things from an input stream.
Oh, wait. There is a get thumbnail bitmap, no?
No, I'm just looking as like a write. Oh, save.
Save attributes, save
Does this
the original
work
file.
with...
This is expensive. Okay, Google. I know it's all about the money, but chill.
This is not very useful.
But they keep saying file. So
exactly.
Okay,
so I don't understand. Let's see how it blows up.
No, but so let's try to... No, because we don't have an input stream. Because we just...
All right. But we don't need to do this, right?
As long as you know how to get an input stream from a content resolver.
Well, yeah, you're right.
I mean, you say it like it's something that we can do in a input stream.
I seem to remember there is a way to create one from a URI.
Oh,
wait. No. Wait. Maybe I need to do content resolver dot something.
Content resolver dot...
open input stream. There you go. Ha! I win again.
Complaining? Shut up. Why is complaining?
Because I need to...
okay. You need to do properly.
Yes.
Okay, now you have the input stream. Now you can feed it to the exif library thing.
Exif interface.
But Mark, more than that, I was more like, if we can store the file in our internal storage, right? I was thinking about hacking our way around it. But Sebastiano managed to have an input stream, so...
Will it work? Who knows?
Oh, print the metadata. So what do we have here? So you have the interface. What do we do with the interface?
Let's see. Exif interface. Is there a get all the things? Or maybe just
wait. No, get...
Those are all setters.
No, but they were get attributes. Type get. Attribute age. The fuck?
Yes.
Get altitude.
Because nice. Well, altitude is because of geolocation, but this one you can technically put, like, you have different types of attributes you can have in Exif, and it can be integers, doubles,
but
ranges.
Is it is it a map? How do we?
I think it's
visualize
a map,
it.
But wait, what? No,
install splash screen, because why not?
Yes. I am going to do this and see what happens. Ooh. And also, I'm going to do metadata dot... I'm just going to do set GPS. Set that long. Yes. 1.
You want to see if it persists.
2.
But then,
yes.
But then you need to read it from the input stream, because YOLO.
We're testing things, so it's fine.
Sure.
There was a save attributes.
They're taking bets in the chat. Okay, so now we are that kind of stream.
Oh, Oh, okay.
I can. How was it? I mean, I can run like a. I asked. Wait. Let's run a prediction.
Poll? Okay, I'm gonna add some logs in the meantime.
Will it blow up? Yes. No. It's gonna be 30 seconds and.
Why do I keep using the macOS shortcuts?
Is it doing something? Yes. Will it blow? Of course it's gonna blow.
Okay, and let's run this bad boy and see.
Look how much.
Someone is betting big. Someone is betting big. I see how this goes.
I mean, the double bank was not very. I mean,
it's fine.
It's okay.
The thing is, it's okay. If it doesn't load the input stream, then I'd rather want it to crash immediately.
Oh, so yeah.
What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
It's merging the decks. Whatever that is. Stop changing the fucking rhythm.
Shut up.
No. Go.
You said I had to add something to the manifest.
Go and sing. Go and sing. Sing again. Why do you bother?
Nee, bother. Yes.
What are you doing?
What? Shut up and start again.
Oh man. It's just disable.
Fuck off. Stop everything. Oh, there you go. Can I? Thank you very much. No, I cannot.
Sing. You need to sing. Look at that pizza. It's so cool.
It reflects a state of mind.
Fair enough.
Where's the build? What are you doing?
Sebastiano, it's configuring the project. Come on, give it a break.
Slow.
I mean, give it a break. You're not used to work on Android anymore. This is what we do. Too many interviews on the stream, and now you don't know how to cope with the build Gradle.
I'm not used to staring. I mean, I'm used to staring at Gradle, and I'm used to staring at that fucking pizza going back and forth all the time. Because at the end of the day, I assure you, building AndroidStudio takes longer than building an app.
No.
But that doesn't make me any less impatient.
Fair enough.
This is
Fair enough. Let's go. Come on, show me the build panel. At least I see something that moves. Ivan is so chill. Yeah, I'm tired. That's the trick.
It's not chill. It's low energy. It's different.
Yeah, I'm low energy. By the way, Mike, I started playing Helldivers 2.
Oh, so you're one of those now?
Oh man, I'm having a blast. I'm having a blast.
Is it? I don't know anything about the game. What is the game about? Now we are a gaming stream.
I mean, if only you were that kind of gamer, I will just gift it to you for PlayStation so we could play together because it's multi-platform.
I am going to set the stream as being about Helldivers 2.
Yes, like
done. Now we're talking about Helldivers 2.
What? Just 1 second.
This is how we get traffic. This is how we get people in.
half Twitch is about Helldivers 2 right now. The thing is insane. So they launched a new planet like yesterday, and on the new planet they were at the same time like 400,000 people at the same time playing. You have no idea. It's crashing everything. Like, code, every Call of Duty.
Nice.
Oh no. Let me.
Bad file descriptor. That's a great start. So, I see what it's doing.
Well, by the way,
it's trying to seek.
People want.
Why are you trying to seek an input stream? That's not how input streams work. Bad
file descriptor. Okay.
Yeah. Oh god, I need to. Why is it?
I won. We are all winners, Mike. We are all winners. Download sources, Sebastiano.
I did. That's what happens.
Fair enough.
Sure.
Open a bug.
I have already opened the bug.
Why is crashing?
It's crashing because it's trying to. It's saying. I think it's assuming that the input stream is a local file input stream, and it's trying to seek it, but it's a content provider. You cannot necessarily seek.
Okay.
So that's the problem. So what we need to do is we need to read it into memory or save it into a file and then pass it to that. So we need to do the blah blah thing, blah blah.
Thingy. Okay, so now we have we had a bitmap.
We don't need the bitmap. The bitmap is not what we need.
Long live the bitmap.
We need to do this, but instead of doing it like that down there, we'll do it again later. But the idea is that we need to read the whole thing. So read I never remember.
What do you want to do? So
wait, I was missing the receiver. Riddle bytes.
Riddle bytes. And now what?
Come on.
Sure. I mean, why don't you just bump it to yesterday version?
No, this is fine.
Why? I mean, why there is a new one if this works? I don't know. Reasons.
Oh wait, this is a text reader?
No.
I never remember how this works. Oh no, this is definitely
How about the internet? Do you have StudioBot? Why don't you ask StudioBot?
Read bytes. Ha! No, I don't have. Do I have StudioBot?
I think there is StudioBot somewhere.
There is, but it's not available here yet. So
it's free while in preview and currently available in select.
Yeah, select countries does not include Italy, unfortunately.
Fair enough. Never a joy.
Not up to me. If it were up to me, it would.
So now, if we were like a legit stream, we will have like, but if you are here and you want to connect from the US, you can use our VPN sponsor, but we are
I hate that shit so much. So much. It's like every advertisement for a VPN out there is like, oh yeah, you can infringe the terms of service of whichever service you want. And I am quite sure that is literally not legal. And you're advertising that. And it's like
it's probably the second line in the terms and conditions. Anyway, you could assign a byte array to a stream available, then read byte array. Maybe Mark is on something.
You mean on drugs or?
No, it's on something like he has a solution. He has a suggestion.
I have the bytes of the thing. It's fine. I can just write them now.
Write them where? Like a file?
Yes.
On disk? Okay.
I just need to remember how to do it.
Right? I don't know. How do you do it? How about you search the internet with this?
File writer? Takes in a file name.
Temp. Even. Okay. And how do you use it? Of course. Write JSON.
Yes.
That seems legit.
I always forget the thing.
You have a byte array, so I guess it's the.
1 second. No, I never remember. Ah, god damn it.
File, Android, write a file. Well, wow.
Wait. Kotlin.
Wow. Okay.
File output stream. That's a boring way to do it.
Convert a large binary array to.
It's just creating a file output stream and writing the whole thing. I thought there was a nicer way to do it.
You could pass a binary input stream to the X interface. Okay. Try that, Sebastian.
What?
If you read a byte array, then you.
I can just wrap it. You mean?
Byte array stream to the X interface. From what? Okay. And then you throw this to the...
It's still a vanilla.
Yeah, sure. As long as it works, I don't mind. And then...
And then I do this. I can close it afterwards because I don't need it anymore. It's not a typo. Save.
Add it to the dictionary.
Okay, let's try and run this. Let's see if it works. Oops.
Okay.
Hasn't crashed yet because I haven't done anything yet.
Click.
Bam!
Wait, maybe. Oh.
Exiting
does not support saving attributes for the current input. Okay, so it's crashed after.
What does that mean?
I think it's crashing on the second part.
It only works with files. I think that's the problem. This only works with fucking files.
But don't you think it's the second part? Because it was saving things. It was complaining about saving.
It's crashing here. It can read, but it crashes when it comes to saving things. And that's because it's assuming that everything is a file. Which is never. It's never a fucking file.
Okay.
But yeah, you see, it reads the before just fine. Obviously, it's useless, but it does read it.
Okay. Well, I mean, store a file. Store a file. Read the bitmap, store a file. Or read the byte array, store a file.
And this is why we cannot have a nice thing.
What are we doing? File output stream. Can you print the content before?
Yeah, like and I've just shown it.
Decode it and print, like the...
There is no decode.
There
is no decode. It's only life or death. So what I need to do is I need to take a vanilla. I need to write the byte array. So image bytes.
Okay.
And then I need to close. So what I can do is use.
Very mindful resource management, Sebastian.
Yes. You do not want to leak file descriptors. That is bad. Okay. And then you can read it again. This is ridiculous. This is a circus. It's a file. I just need the file at this point. I'm just gonna just do that, and then I don't actually need this anymore. And I can, it's a circus.
And I guess
I'm just gonna rename this.
Metadata.
And this is circus.
Okay.
Let's see if this works. Oh, I have never written anything to it. Oh no, I don't need to. Okay, that's the thing. I don't need to create a variable.
Let's go.
Okay, why did it crash now?
Open file.
Read-only file system. Where the fuck did it create the file? That might be my fault, to be honest.
Not in the app folder, I guess.
So let me do how do you
package?
Create temp file. There you go. Oh no, that's on no, I need one on Android. Is this on context?
Okay. Context wrapper. Okay. Open file input.
Open a private file associated, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so this should work.
Open file input. Why is complaining?
It needs a mode.
Do you have any tips for me? Brace. Brace for impact, my friend. Well,
hey, Lazy
I
Turtle,
guess,
welcome.
Welcome
to the circus.
What do you want to learn? I mean, Android? You mean Kotlin, or do you like web? What would you like to build? Move database.
Mode.
Private.
Right. No. Append.
File creation from
no
user.
private.
Private is for the shared preferences.
Fuck it, I don't care. It's a 0, it's probably fine.
I'm starting with C++. Wow, you're starting with the heavy stuff.
Yeah. Easy
heavy
mode,
stuff.
Right?
Easy mode. Just for the sake of not feeling overwhelmed and give up too early, I will probably suggest something a bit less intimidating. And it could be Kotlin, it could be Python is also very popular for beginners. And yeah, I mean, it depends what you want to build. Ruby on Rails could be nice for web. PHP, there is always demand.
Bad file descriptor.
Can we
what
use
does it mean?
OKIO? Can we use OKIO or something? Fail to save new file. Original file stored in blah blah blah. Yeah, because it's the folder, Sebastiano. You need to look it up. It's the folder. Something is wrong with the folder. I don't think it's storing the file in the.
But says that it
private folder.
Oh, I don't have the permissions. Maybe no, it's private data. I don't need the permission.
That's the thing. I think you are not writing it in the right place.
But this is literally a private file that I can write. This is the API that does that one thing.
Create the file if it doesn't exist. No additional permission are required for calling the app. Okay.
It should work.
How about we look it up? I know that that's the boring part, but it's like we have 15 minutes.
Do we? Oh, fuck. Get cached here and create temp file. Yeah, let's try that.
Yeah, that's a bummer. That's not.
Create temp file. This is the Kotlin one. As the
Lazy Turtle. I mean,
the Kotlin one.
It's not better or wrong. It depends what you want to build. But if you are just approaching programming in general, Python, you can get very far with very little knowledge at the beginning. And it's an old language, so there's like a gazillion books and videos on YouTube. You can learn everything for free, pretty much. And if you are into machine learning, most of that stuff is in Python. So, if you are also curious about AI, generative AI, machine learning, AI, generative. Do I look like Sundar? No. AI. You can actually enjoy Python a lot. There is a lot of available documentation.
It didn't crash.
It didn't crash.
It's a start.
I mean, this is the old one.
Is this the old one?
Clear and restart. Clear, click again. Come on, Sebastiano, you got this.
I'm struggling.
Okay.
Yay!
Yeah, so you can read things.
But why didn't why the one thing that is because I was opening it a file input. I'm stupid. That's why. That happens. I mean, for me to be stupid, it happens very often.
Print something. So
there shouldn't be
a project to start to-do list. Well, it's the classic one, but my suggestion is to think about a problem that you have, or I'm quoting Peter Levels here because I just finished reading his book again a couple of nights ago. So in his book Make, he suggests to do an experiment. So you can every day sit at the end of the day and write down 3 problems that you have in your life. Okay, 3 problems. At the end of the week, you will have probably like a couple of, like 20 problems. Let's say you will have 20 problems at the end of the day, and the end of the week.
It works. Woo!
Works. Fantastic.
Woo!
So if you think about those 20 problems, Mike, okay, so that's how many of those problems can be solved? Do you think they can be solved with software? And then you probably will end up with a handful of problems. And then you pick the most annoying one. And that's the problem that you want to fix, because, well, you are learning a new skill, programming, and you are applying the knowledge that you are learning and you are gathering to solve one of your problems. So you have the motivation, you have the drive, because you are actually solving one of your problems, right? And that's actually what I suggest to my student lately. Don't go for, I'm just gonna read the tutorial to do a to-do list or any other. It's a classic problem, right? There are a few of them that are all over the place. But actually focus on solving one of your problems, because best case scenario, you have one less problem and you learn programming. And so that's my suggestion. Look at what you have in your life, find the few annoying things in your life that you can solve with software, pick the most annoying one, and try to write a software to fix that. What's going on?
Yes. It's doing things.
Don't worry. I'm not doing the programming. Sebastian is doing the programming. That's why two.
You're the narrator voice in this case.
I'm the guy behind that is, just commenting on things. So what are you trying to do, Sebastiano? Where are we?
I'm trying to remove the metadata because I can add it, which is what I'm doing, but okay. I don't know if there's a way to get rid of it.
Okay, so
but maybe I can do it because this is doing like set attribute blah blah blah. Maybe what I want to do is
remove, reset. No,
reset orientation. No,
no, I don't.
Set. Maybe I can set it to null.
Yeah, you can nullify them. You can set them to null. It will be a bit over. You need to go over all of them, or you can actually just set to null the ones that you don't want to. Yeah,
I need to check if it explodes though. So
you can set them to a legit value that is in the middle of the Atlantic.
Sure, but this is nullable, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Date time, don't care. ISO speed ratings, don't care. GPS. Timestamp. Not what we're looking for. Ooh wee, it's doing things.
Well, it would be nice to actually have one method to clean them all. Maybe we can.
This is the decompiled sources because it doesn't download them. I hope that the actual sources looks a bit better, but I don't know.
Less C++, you mean?
Less everything in one method that is 200 lines long. But you never know. So what I'm doing instead is, wait a second. This is doing bullshit. I need to do this. I need to get all the get attribute thing. And these are the attributes I want to clear.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. There's also a thing that technically, I think this image does not have. Sure. No.
Don't.
So.
Swipe.
This doesn't yet. Sure, back up. I don't think it saves it to the image though.
And that's actually so weird. Oh, enter a location. Rome.
Venice.
Venice, fair enough. Okay.
Look at that. Swimming in the lagoon.
That's cute. Okay, so, but now if you run it and you print it, we should see the...
Exactly.
I mean, if it's in the picture,
now I want to know if when I pick it, no, it's still null.
Still null.
Photos hasn't actually set it, but I'm sure there is like a Play Store app that I can use to set it.
Exif something something.
Set exif. Banana Studio, sure, you have my vote.
Oh man. What's minimalist phone launcher?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I don't know why that opened up. I swear I have no clue. I clicked this one and it opened up the other thing.
Yeah, Play Store.
Such is life. Sure.
I'm so uncomfortable with this. You do you.
You do you. It's fine. It's a test device on a test account.
Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Geolocalization unknown. Okay.
Sure.
Sure.
Oh no.
People know where you live now.
I live in Vicenza. Surprise.
Surprise, motherfuckers.
Actually, let me try it because it's a pain to get to a spot. Okay, I think I have one. Sure, there's one. There is a location now, so I think I need to save, allow, exif data saved. Okay, thank you, Banana Studio.
Try again. Run the app.
Pick one. Dippy dip.
Oh.
Nope. Still null.
But are we reading the right thing?
No. I think I know what's going on here. I think I might be wrong, but I think we need the location permission.
Oh man, you're right. I think I remember an issue on the issue trigger. Try picker visual whatever thingy exif.
Huh?
Search for the visual picker that we are using and exif data location. Because I remember there was a bug on Bugnizer and they were talking about, yeah, that's the issue trigger thing that I was, it's on purpose.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's on purpose. Sorry. You see, Mike, I'm not chill. I'm just sleepy. Fucking hell. Scroll, scroll, scroll. At some point, there is somebody from your side of the world that say, yeah, that's actually how we built it on purpose. This is working as intended. Look.
The photo picker redacts all location metadata. Even if I have the permission? I mean, that's fine. It saves us a lot of trouble.
I told you. You just need to read it and... But...
Yeah, no. Okay.
I think we're good. If you open with the photo picker, you don't get the location data.
It's so weird. I mean, I understand why. I understand why, but if I have the location permission...
The thing that the person was complaining about, it was like, okay, but it works with the old method.
Yeah.
So now you suggest that we use the new one, but I can't actually keep the behavior that I had in the app before. So this is BS. So
yes,
the person not happy. They were not happy.
Yeah, but now our code looks like this, and we're done.
I guess you just need to. So what do we want to do? You read the image. What do you want to share? The bitmap or the URI?
I'm gonna share just the thing, because if it redacts, I'm gonna read everything into memory, and then I'm just gonna reshare it as it is, because then the location is stripped already at that point, and we're done. We just need to do.
But what are you sharing? The URI, or are you sharing the bitmap, or what are you sharing outwards?
I'm sharing out the image something. Do I need to save it to file? No, I can expose it.
Android share image. Well, I mean, Lazy Turtle, if you are in Brazil, give a look at Ruby on Rails. Your Ruby on Rails community is huge in Brazil. And you could probably... I also have a friend that is a Brazilian Ruby on Rails developer. And yeah, if you are into web, just look it up, Ruby on Rails. Also, shout out to Bruno that helped me with my project in January.
Yeah,
how do you do it? Output stream?
Yeah, it looks like it.
First, add permission using bitmap from resources. You can
but
also
I don't
share
need
the
to.
bitmap.
I don't need to do this bit because I already have the
bitmap
byte array, so it's fine.
Oh, okay.
The URI comes from. So I need to do this part here.
What do you need to do?
I'm gonna copy paste the whole thing and just change it to whatever.
Sure. I need. Let's go.
And now it's gonna be like, is this Java? Do you want to convert it? Yes. Yes. Yes.
And half of the thing is not
gonna... The thing is, I don't know.
Bam bam bam.
But
is it a PNG?
No, it's fine. I think the content resolver should tell me. Get type, yes. Can I set this to null? It doesn't say I cannot.
I mean, there is only one way to find out, my friend.
YOLO.
There is only one way. So title even is mighty. Thank you.
I'm actually gonna save this as a variable type. And type. I am very good at typing. I don't type as a profession. It's fine.
It's a profession. Apparently. It's too many meetings, Sebastiano. You're losing the touch.
Exactly. So here, what I need to do. So I think.
Don't compress. Why would you?
No. But this is for a bitmap. I don't need that. What I need to do is write everything into the output stream. But I don't need to save it, I think. Oh, no, okay, I need to write everything in there and fuck off. Okay, fine. So I need to do this. Well, actually, I can do it here. Use. And then I can do it right. Image bytes. This is not negotiable. Let's be clear.
URI. What's the URI? Maybe it's like what?
Yes.
It has to grow up. I don't care. I don't care. It has to grow up.
It has to go out.
What the fuck are you?
Oh, it man. Brings you back.
Yeah. No, it's the. I'm in the countryside, because I keep getting. I know that I live in the countryside because I keep saying this notification like about cougars in my area, and I was like, man, it's a dangerous level. Look at that.
I can share it.
Share it. What do you have? Share it.
Let me see. Yeah. There's no geolocation. There's a lot of ads, but that's fine. Maybe we can do some. I was thinking. I was really thinking hard, and that's a problem generally. But what I can. I was thinking if we want to change some metadata.
Okay, wait, but let's understand. I want to understand.
So just to make sure that it works, that I can set the camera model to I don't know banana.
But phone. If you fair enough. Don't do the location because the location apparently is sensitive data. But what I want to understand is how can we check if we actually are getting rid of it? So we can.
Oh well,
so it doesn't. If we write them with the photo editor and you open with Google Photos, do you see the right location? I want to understand if they talk to each other, right? So check. If AndroidStudio is Google Photos actually reading from the EXIF, or is just storing data somewhere else by itself? That's my curiosity. But we are also. I mean, we can try with something else if we don't want to try the.
Let's just quickly do. I'm very annoyed that it doesn't show the title, by the way. It makes me very sad.
But now you have to put numbers there.
Yeah. Is there like a list of tags? Yes. Camera
owner name.
Owner name seems weird. No. Artist.
What the fuck? Software. You can say camera model. Get camera model. Because we know that for sure that is a Pixel 7a camera.
No.
I mean, that's the only one. Software? No. Ooh.
Copyright, datetime. GPS, everything that I don't care about. Lens make, lens model. Maker node. Model.
Ooh. Model. It could be camera model. Try something like Pippo. Pizza. Let's try to export the.
So what I want to understand is this one doesn't actually write anything anywhere, right? This, as in, it sets it in memory, but it doesn't store it. That was the thing that I wasn't entirely clear on. Because this one, the documentation for this, save the tag into this is expensive, blah, blah, blah. It's best to use set attributes, set all the attributes to write and make a single call. So I need to call this at the end anyway. It's just complaining that it's expensive. Thank you. That was very useful.
Maybe, in... I mean, we don't. Let's
it's
just
fine.
save it.
It's fine.
Let's go. Let's
it's
go. Run it.
fine. Yeah, I just need to then though open this, and then I need to write not these bytes here, but I need to do file dot read bytes. So I'm I'm reading it and writing it 15 times, but it's fine.
Fair enough. Okay.
Let's see if we can find any hot singles in our area.
Yeah, that was actually a bummer that you don't see the... Oh, now you have two pictures.
Yeah, I guess one of them is the one that we created earlier. It's fine. I'll pick the older one. Can I edit this? No, I don't. I don't want
now,
to.
how? And now?
It's just canceled everything. Oh no, I created
3!
One. Yay! Okay. So I'm gonna do it again just in case and do this.
Wait.
Camera pizza! Pizza! Ivan!
Okay, so we nailed. Still, the only thing that it's not there. It's the cougar thing. Okay.
The what?
Hot singles in your area. Look at how much shit is there.
Yeah. Whoa. There's a lot of exif. Oh, this. Oh, this is leaking the fact that it's actually a Pixel 7a and not a Google Pizza. Okay, I think we're done. It works.
Okay.
Now, if we were nicer people, we would probably, instead of just doing this, the callback of activity result, we'd probably start a coroutine and do it on the correct dispatcher. Maybe have a UI while that works. I don't know. But I can also do this. Remove exits. Everything. I mean, this does exactly the same thing, I think. Yeah. But yeah, the thing that I'm not sure is that if I look at the exif interface, is there a way to delete everything? There is a remove attribute, but it's private because of fucking course it's private. Shut up. Someone is using this. I know it. Because it doesn't have the sources, so it's not indexing them, so it doesn't know.
I hate it. Anyway,
I hate this so much.
It's but something that it could be useful is to create like a gist to remove everything, and you have it as an extension function on the exif interface.
The what?
Like an utility method that say delete all the attributes, right? So just to throw it to the internet if it's necessary. Just as a open source contribution, I mean. Also
no. I thought about it and I realized that I do not want to maintain that. So no.
Fair enough. So the internet saved us once again, and especially because I remember that thing. There was a weird flash. Anyway, so apparently you can't read location data from images with the new picker.
That's a bummer.
But the bummer is the fact that you're not calling pick media anymore.
No, it's the
because
field
you're
one
doing
you had me create that I didn't need.
Okay, yeah, you're using the compose one. The bummer, the biggest bummer is the fact that there is no way around it.
Yeah, well, you can use the older thing, I guess.
Yeah, that's the thing, right? So if you want to use the latest one, and this is one of those moments where like, this is so weird, because the new version, you could consider it not feature complete, right? So you put something out there that makes it easier because you don't need the permissions, right, to access the gallery and things. But then you're taking away maybe that 5% of functionality that I need for my use case, and it makes your new solution completely useless for me because it's not matching the old solution features, right? I don't know if I conveying the disappointment good, because this is the thing, right? I want to try the new thing. I want to migrate my old app to the new library, and then I can't because you decided that the new thing has a subset of features compared to the old one, and then you have like some random external open source library that does it all, and you know what, I'm using whatever library that is out there. So anyway,
so I just want to say I love our audience.
What's going on?
I thought I really triggered you, didn't I?
No. Maybe you need to rename the. You also need to rename the activity, I think.
No, the activity has the title. It's fine.
Okay.
The social contract is intact. So this one is set from.
It was set from. It's not there. Set.
Oh, it's source dot. Okay. That makes some sense. So I'm gonna port the same change to this app, and then the Atul or Tal. Atul. Yes. Thank you, Tal. Come with the push. Woo!
Oh, by the way, I think like that you won the giveaway.
All the commits in this repo are like feelings based.
They also have a name. I think you won the giveaway on last episode. So I need to get your address and send you one of those love packages that we have for our audience. So I'm gonna just reach out to you either on Twitter or on Twitch to get your address. Yeah, thank you.
Awesome. I think we're done.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone.
Let's go.
This was very cool. I had a lot of fun, and I did something that I thought that I would look at like probably 6-7 years ago, and now I finally got around to it.
we can ship the app, Sebastiano.
Yeah, it's ready to go.
Senti, do we have a new stream next week?
Yes.
Do we stream next?
Yes,
do we have a guest?
So next week we have a new guest. I just double checked. I thought, and I knew the right thing, but I just double checked not to say the wrong thing. So next week we have Thor. So the director of engineering for AndroidStudio, that is coming to talk to us about lint and possibly other stuff. I don't know. So if you listen to the Android Developers Backstage podcast, then you know Thor already. If you've ever seen a Google I/O dev keynote, then you know Thor. If you have never done either thing, I'd recommend doing them both. At least the ADB podcast it's always great fun. Yeah, Thor, I think he invented or started lint, or maybe Roman did, and then Thor built on top of it and made it into what it is today. Anyway, it's gonna be fun.
He's the lint person.
Yes, he's the linter. I'm super excited about this because as you probably know by now, I really like static analysis tools, and I think lint is really nice. But also, I don't know what exactly we're gonna be talking about. I guess we're gonna figure out as we do.
No, but I'm just throwing it out there. If you have questions, you can always reach out to us on the Telegram group and on Twitter, on Mastodon.
Do you reckon maybe it's worth doing a Slido for next week?
Yeah, maybe.
Or like lint questions, whatever.
Yeah. Or if you want us to build like a lint rule on the fly. I mean, I tried.
You did.
Yeah, let's set up a Slido, and we are gonna share it on Twitter and Mastodon, on Telegram, on LinkedIn. Yeah, fingers crossed we have questions.
Yes. I mean, worst case scenario, we pretend we never created a Slido.
Fair enough. Beautiful people, thank you again for the support. Thank you again for being with us today. Again, if you want to support us for free and you have an Amazon Prime subscription, just look it up in the description below. You can connect your accounts together and you will see a toggle on Twitch that say subscribe for free. You don't pay anything. We get a couple of bucks for the stickers and giveaways. If you want to buy t-shirts, check out our merch store. If you want to become a subscriber on Ko-fi, just look it up, and we have a few possible tiers. A couple of them also allow you to join us in the post-episode chat, especially when we have a guest. Usually Mark Ellison is there, Sebastiano is creating the thumbnail for the YouTube episode, so you will have a sneak peek, and you can also meet our guests in a more private setting if you want.
Just one thing I need to say about that: I am starving, so I'm not gonna do the thumbnail now.
No, that's not,
sorry. I'm really hungry.
Oh, worse. But usually it happens when we have guests.
Yeah, so when we have a guest, it makes more sense, I guess. If it's just the two of us, then we're already here. So.
Yes, I have a toddler, and you are.
Adam knows what I'm talking about.
Anyway, thank you again for being with us, and see you next week. Thank you, Sebastiano.
Bye. Ciao. Have a good one, everyone. Enjoy.